Hello dear students, how are you? So previously we have printed all the factorial number between 1 to let's say 100 or within the range, and today what we are going to do, we are going to find a solution for the problem which was given previously. And this was the problem: print all the perfect number between 1 to 100, and it was also print all the factors of perfect number. So here what you need to do, we have already made a program where we were able to find out all the factors, right? And if the factor is found, then we have just printed it. Now according to the question, what we have to do, we have to print its all factor. So we need to print the factor of number. So what we need to do, we need to write a program somewhat like this: if the factor is found, which is in this case here, that means if we are at this place, it means that we are have the number is perfect number. Now if I find or write a program to print a factor, that will solve our purpose, right? So let's do it. So I will be using a for I, or you can say x, in a range. I need to print all the factors, so let's say sum, or you can use I, whatever, and let's print the factor. If x, sorry, sum or number, whatever, number modulus I is equals to 0, then we can print the factor. To print, I'm going to print the factor, that is the, actually it should be x, and in above line also it should be x, and that's it, we are done. So first of all, what we need to do is we need to print the number which is perfect, and then we are printing the factors. Okay, now let's test this program whether my calculation is correct or not, and let's run this program. Okay, and one more thing, let's change it to somewhat like this, so that we can identify that this one is a factor. Okay, and now let's run this program and check it out. So now you can see a little bit up. So we have a 6 is a perfect number, and you can see 1 2 3 are the factors, and we have 24, sorry, 28, 1 2 4 7 and 14 are the factors, right? So you can easily do it with the help of nested for loop. So once again, let us see how it is working. So first of all, till here we were having sum of the factors, and then sum is compared with the original number, and if the number is the perfect number, or is number is equals to the sum of the factors, then we are printing the number, and then finally we are printing all its factor. Okay, so it is in a sequence, right? So it is like a story, you have to narrate this story. Okay, now I'm going to make it a little bit you can say more interactive. So perfect number let's say 2, and here I'm going to print like this. Factors are, let's say, like this. Here I'm going to print slash n, let's say, and here at the end is equals to, that means slash double quotes or single quotes, open close, that means that it will not change the line at the end of the print. And here I'm going to use comma separator is equals to, let's say, comma. Okay, so now let us execute this program and check it out whether it is working or not. Okay, see, now what we can see is perfect number is 6 and the factors are, you can see, asterisk 1. Oh, actually I miss done it. Actually what I need to do is, in place of a comma or in place of a separator, I should be using the end. Okay, now let us execute and see. I think it will be more beautiful. So now you can see we have a 6 as a perfect number and its factor of 1 2 3. Still why these asterisks are there, and so I'm not going to print this asterisk, or simply remove this and execute it one more time, and let's check it out whether this works or not. So now you can see my program is done or completed. Now you can see this is the much better output than the previous. So you can configure the output if you like, right? And you should be working on this and practicing this, right? How to present your output or solution to the user, because जो दिखता है वही बिकता है. Okay, so that's the end of the today's topic, and the question is, um, find out all the prime number in a digit. Okay, for example, if we have 6 7 2 8 9, so you should be printing 7 and 2 as a prime number. Okay, I think this is really clear to you, and best of luck for this particular example. That's all for the day. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.